Good afternoon, I'm Hemi from the Spinnaker and we're here at the car show. And right now we're here at the luxury section of the cars and I'm standing right beside a yellow Lamborghini. And we just finished talking to the Buick representatives and watching all of their cars. And we were right beside the Bruno's F1 cars. There is Chevy, Buick, the Lamborghinis. The Jeep is also here. Check out the new Chevy Bolt. And all these models are displayed for everybody's view. Oh, this is so neat. Look at this. Hey, I'm inside a 2011 model of the Dodge Challenger Classic, and this beautiful white car has a Hemi, and the interior is great. It's got an amazing gear shift. I just need a booster seat.